Welcome to DroneDeploy. In these next few videos, we'll take you from zero to hero on the DroneDeploy platform. You'll learn how to make your first project, plan your first flight, process your first datasets, explore your final maps and models, share and collaborate with your team, and leverage our app marketplace and our operations suite of tools to manage your drone program. We're glad to have you. Let's get started. This is your DroneDeploy dashboard. From here, you can create, view, and manage all of your DroneDeploy projects. Whether that's a new construction site, inspecting a farm, monitoring a mine, managing a critical asset, or whatever site you're looking to digitize with DroneDeploy. A DroneDeploy project is a digital twin of your site, allowing you to measure, inspect, or analyze your site the way we naturally see the world around us, with our own two eyes. How cool is that? A project within DroneDeploy is your central location for all of your flights, processing, maps, models, and reports. To begin, let's create a new project. Each new project can be created anywhere in the world and has a defined location. I can search by a name, zip code, or coordinates. For now, I'll create a project right here. I'll give it a quick name. And from this interface, I can now manage my entire project workflow. I can create new and reusable flight templates. I can upload and process my completed datasets. I can explore my final maps and models and collaborate with my team. And I can go in and view specific reports like the annotation report, progress reports, stockpile reports, and much, much more. In the next video, we'll show you how to create and launch your first flight.